Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today I want to talk about something that is important for all of us. That is changing bad habits. We all have habits that we know are not good for us. Maybe we waste too much time on our phones, eat too much junk food, skip studying, or sleep too late. These habits may seem small, but over time they can stop for us. They can stop us from reaching our goals. The first step to changing, the first step to change is uh, to admit the habit is bad. Then we must find the reason why we keep doing it. After that, we can replace it. We can replace it with a better habit. For example, instead of scrolling on your phone, you can read a book or take a walk. Instead of skipping homework, set a timer and studying for 30 minutes. Change Change is not easy. It takes time, patience, and discipline. We may fail sometimes, but that's okay. What's important is that we don't give up. Keep trying, and every small effort will make a big difference. Remember, bad habits do not define who we are. We have the power to change and become better every day. Thank you. That's all from me. If I made many mistakes, I do apologize to you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Seta Fajar Nalendra. You can call me Seta. My name is 6324142. I am from class 63 2A and 37. And here I will present my material about indirect question. Indirect question in English is understanding how to ask question politely and formally in English, yang artinya memahami cara bertanya secara sopan dan formal dalam bahasa Inggris. What are indirect question? Indirect question are questions that are embedded within statements or other question. They are used to ask something in a more polite or formal way. Example, direct question is where is the bank? And for indirect question is could you tell me where the bank is? Okay. Next. Why use indirect question? Indirect question are used to make requests for inquiries sound more polite and communicate in formal situation or with people you don't know well and avoid sounding too direct or impolite. Structure of indirect question is the general structure of indirect question. For the first is introductory phrase. Example, could you tell me or do you know? And number second, question word like what, where, when, who, why, how, or if or whether for yes or no question. And number three is subject plus verb without inversion. Example, Could you tell me where the nearest ATM is? Or do you know if she has arrived? Next, difference, non, these are different from direct question. The main difference between direct and indirect question. For direct question, it is use inversion, and for indirect question is no inversion. Example, for direct, what time does the meeting start? For indirect question, do you know what time the meeting start? Example, here are some example for indirect question like, can you tell me how much is this cost? Or I wondered where you went. And do you know whether they will attend the party? Practice exercise. Convert the following direct question into indirect question. Number one, where is the restroom? For the indirect question, could you tell me where the restroom is? Direct question. Number two, did she finish the report? And in direct, do you know if she finished the report? Hello. Next, number three, what time does the store open? In indirect question, can you tell me what time the store opens? Number four, where does she play tennis? For to indirect question is, can you tell me where she play tennis? And the last one is, does he live in Paris? Indirect question is, can you tell me if he lives in Paris? Conclusion, indirect question make your inquiries sound more polite and formal. And number two, use the correct structure without inversion. And number three is practicing using indirect question in daily conversation. Thank you. That's all for me. If I made many mistakes, I do apologize to you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.